The coin and the boy. Roy finds a coin. The coin is gold. He puts it in his pocket. Roy buys a toy. Roy and his coin bring joy. Car and the star. Mar drives a car. The car is fast. She sees a star. The star shines bright. Mar and the star light the night. The bird and the fur. Dirk sees a bird. The bird is on a fir. It chirps a song. Dirk listens and smiles. Dirk and the bird sing along.
The turn and the burn. Kurt takes a turn. He sees a fern. The fern is near a fire. The fire starts to burn. Kurt and the fern stay safe.
Her new hat. Jen has a new hat. The hat is big. It covers her head. She wears it in the sun. Jen and her hat have fun.
The paw and the straw. Da has a paw. He finds a straw. The straw is long. Da chews the straw. Da and his paw enjoy the straw.
The haul of fish. Paul goes to the sea. He hauls in a net. The net is full of fish. Paul smiles wide. Paul and his fish have a feast. The moon and the spoon. Noon sees the moon. She has a spoon. The spoon shines bright. It reflects the moonlight. Noon and the spoon admire the moon.
The fork and the corn. Nora has a fork. She eats some corn. The corn is sweet. Nora eats it all. Nora and the fork enjoy the corn.
The point and the coin. Milo points to a coin. The coin is on the ground. He picks it up. It is shiny and round. Milo and the coin are happy.